Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Trading 212 to TradingView. Currently, you cannot directly connect your Trading 212 account to TradingView for trading. But don't worry, Trading 212 now includes TradingView charts directly in the app. Just open the Trading 212 app, go to a stock or crypto, and tap Charts. You'll see all the advanced TradingView tools for technical analysis right there. This lets you analyze prices and trends without leaving Trading 212. And that's it. That's how to connect Trading 212 to TradingView. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.